Hey, it's the book of Numbers, and this is about the journey of the Israelites from Mount Sinai to the edge of the Promised Land. It begins with God instructing Moses to take a census and organize the people for their journey. They set out with the tabernacle at the center of their camp, emphasizing God's presence among them. As they travel through the wilderness, the Israelites complain repeatedly, longing for their lives in Egypt and doubting God's promises. God responds both with provisions like manna and quail, and with discipline, such as plagues and extended time in the wilderness. Spies are sent to explore Canaan, and the people's fear causes them to rebel, leading God to decree that this generation would wander for 40 years until the next could enter the Promised Land. There are stories of rebellion like Korah's, and God reaffirming Moses and Aaron's leadership. Balaam, a prophet hired to curse Israel, ends up blessing them instead, showing God's protection over his people. Laws are given to ensure worship and purity, and instructions are made for dividing the land once they finally enter Canaan. Despite the people's ongoing struggles with faithfulness, God continues to guide them, preparing a new generation to inherit the land. The book captures God's faithfulness, human failure, and the hope that God's promises will ultimately be fulfilled.